Hey Daniel, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating T-Town roofing. If you look up Tulsa Roofer, these guys show up right at the top and it's really easy to beat them. Now you're probably asking, Devin, why are you even making this video for me? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Lots of people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, can you do this for me? Whatever you want to do, doesn't matter to me. It's just free education. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But first off, you did a great job on your website. Whoever designed it for you, I love the fact that you guys include videos right here to educate them. You obviously use your own photos, which is really great. People love that. It helps build trust. Great photos, super clean, great fonts. This is a beautiful looking website. Now, what most people care, or what Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website, is content. All the stuff you can read and you can highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, and you have 1,000. So you're doing a great job. You're almost there. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only will you look like an authority to Google, but it'll give you more room to fit in keywords. And I found some for you. Feel free to pause the video so you can write these down and include them in your content. Things like Tulsa Roofer, 450 people search that every month. Or Tulsa Roofing, 400 people search that every month. So just those 2 keywords, if you're number 1 for Tulsa Roofer and Tulsa Roofing, you'd be number 1 in front of 850 people every month who want to purchase roofing in Tulsa. That'd be crazy, right? It would make such a big difference in your business. So I would take, excuse me, sorry. I would take this keyword, and if I go and I search your homepage, you can see you don't have it anywhere on this homepage. So I'd make sure to put that inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of TRG logo, this could be saved as Tulsa Roofer, and it'll also help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. Excuse me. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker. You can see the same information. And it says you have one website linking to you. So great job. You've got somebody linking to you already. Now, T-Town Roofing has 134 websites linking to them. So if I were in your shoes, I would copy all 134 of these websites and get them linking back to myself. Because if these 134 websites are good enough to rank T-Town, then they're good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each website, and just like they did, put a link on each website back to my homepage. A lot of times it's super simple. Like, for example, Yellow Pages or Super Pages, we create a free account, we put a link on that account back to our homepage, and that's simple. We've got a backlink. So it's really simple. It just takes some time, but if you beat them in content, plus you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. My last tip for you is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie, like I said. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Conrad's Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Conrad's Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Daniel. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible. I hope this was helpful. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords in there like Tulsa Roofer, Tulsa Roofing Company, stuff like that. Then you want to take the links that are going to T-Town Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Conrad's Roofing. Daniel, if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. If you go this route, it's a great route to go. I recommend you get started sooner rather than later, because the less time you wait, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call anytime. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you, Daniel.